At Lantz Construction, what we build may vary, but one thing remains constant. There is always a story. As a leading agricultural region, many generational family farms call the Shenandoah Valley home, and one local company's business model is dedicated to supporting them. The organic poultry company, Farmer Focus. In 2014, Farmer Focus established their manufacturing operation in Harrisonburg and recently partnered with Lantz to build a new processing facility as they continue to protect and promote sustainable family farms.
For 6 generations now, my family has farmed here on the outskirts of Harrisonburg, right here in the middle of the Shenandoah Valley, and that's why we are so honored to be partnered with Lantz to build not only our first, but our second facility here in Harrisonburg, where we can further expand the impact on our local community, partnering with more farmers, hiring more team members, and reaching more consumers on the East Coast.
We are not only excited about the increased production of this new facility, but we're also excited about the 140 jobs that this new facility will create for the local economy.
We were told that farmers don't start chicken companies, but we're blessed that our model that focuses on farm viability and sustainability is not just survived, but is thriving.
Join us again soon for Building Our Communities, presented by Lantz Construction.